Personal pronouns in Mori. I, mom. You, for. He, she, it, yen. We, tond. You, yam. They, bam. Examples, mamas go. With hi, I am James, mamla James. With you are kind, for ya nisongo. With he, she, it. He, she is hard worker, nye ya tumda. With we are eating, tonorita me. With you never know anything, yam zimbang bumye. With they came yesterday, bam wazame.